Hello guys, welcome. This is Harshit Jain. Today I will explain how you can generate several colors from RGB connection, which is using RGB bulb in a breadboard using Arduino UNO R3 supply. Now let us see. In this circuit we have used Arduino UNO R3 for supply of small breadboard, three 1 kilo ohm resistors each, an RGB bulb and certain wires for connection. Now I will show you how this circuit works. As you can see, in the time span of 1 second or 1000 milliseconds, this bulb generates various colors like red, yellow, blue, green, purple, pink, etc. Now for this, we have a small and simple code. Now let us take a view on the code. That is, I have selected various output blocks from this supplied feature of TinkerCad, such as I have selected set RGB LED pins. Now I have selected RGB LED pins such as the pin that is connected to pin number 11. As you can see, the pin number 11 is connected to red color, 10 is connected to blue color, 9 is connected to green color. Similarly, there is a 5-volt supply from board to the small breadboard, and the ground is connected to the negative terminal of the board. Now let us get back to our code, in which now let's see that we have set up, we will take output from socket number 11, 10 and 9. Now in the continuous loop, if we want the color red to be displayed on the bulb, then we will use a certain function which is analog write, in which the circuit number 11 will generate a code 255, which is basically for red, when blue and green color will be 0. After that, there is a delay of 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 second. Now for generating, as you can see, blue color, the codes are 11,51, 10,255, 9,255. For green, orange, yellow, gray, purple. Simultaneously, the codes are written here such as, again after a delay of 1000 milliseconds, analog write 11,51, 10,204, analog write 9,0. Again, for several colors we can add different codes. Suppose I will show you that how we can add a different color to it. Select set RGB pin, that I have selected it and I have placed it at the bottom. Now I will select a color. Suppose we take the color as black, because I have taken many colors, so I will first take the color as black. Now we will take put from pin number 11, 10, 9. For control, we will place a delay of which will be 1000 milliseconds. As you can see, it has come at the bottom. Now let us get back to our code and we will simulate it. As you can see, it has started working. So that code will place a lightish purple color, which our bulb will display like this one. So that is all for the video. If you have any difficulties in understanding this circuit, you can find all the associated files with, that is the source code or the file of this circuit, in the link given in the description below. Thank you.